Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change theme in Kukai Wallet, including switching between light mode and dark mode. This helps improve visibility and make the wallet more comfortable to use. The theme control how Kukai Wallet look on your screen. You can usually choose between your light theme, dark theme or the system default. Follows your device or the browser theme. You can open to your Kukai Wallet, open to your browser. You can simply open to your Kukai Wallet. If you already have it, you can log in using your Google, Twitter or the Facebook password. After logging in, you'll see this wallet dashboard, and over here look at the top corner of the wallet screen. There's a 3-line icon. Select there. Once you reach into this icon here on the menu pop-outs, go to the setting. Over here we can see just below the currency there's a theme icon. Look for the theme appearance or display. Select to this theme here. You can select either for the dark or the light here. By simply tapping on this select a preferred theme, you will see this option here, and select this light if you want to by simply tapping over there, and that is it. The theme will change instantly, and that is it. That is how you can easily change the theme in the Kukai Wallet. It's a small setting but it makes a big difference in comfort and usability. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.